Hey kiddos, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope everyone is doing great. Today's video is just for you because it's our reading time. In today's video, you will be reading a book with me, and this will be our very first book. So, are you ready? If yes, then let's get started. So, this is our very first book, and the name is Sit. Sit. It is illustrated by Trent Lambert and Dave Atz. Let's get started. Let's repeat these sounds after me, and if you know them, say them out loud. S, a, t, e, p, m. Let's try to blend these words. S, e, sit, sit. S, a, sap, sap. Say p very softly. Do not say pa. A, nap, nap. Sit, sap, nap. Try to read this word. S, e, sit, sit. S, e, sit, sit. He's sitting. Sit. S, a, sap, sap. S, a, sap, sap. This is the sap that is coming out from a tree trunk. A, nap, nap. A, nap, nap. When somebody is sleeping for a short time, it's called a nap. A, ant, ant. A, ant, ant. This is an ant. P, a, pat, pat. P, a, pat, pat. The boy is patting the dog. Pat. Sp, sp, a, spat, spat, spat. Sp, sp, a, spat, spat. And that's it. Now can you answer these questions? You saw the pictures. Can you please tell me, where did the boy sit in the picture? Where did he sit? In the garden, maybe? Yes, you are right. Where else you can sit? Do you name any place where you can sit? Yes, we can sit on a chair, on a sofa, on ground, and on even our bed. Have you seen sap from a tree before? What is a sap? Where is the sap? This is sap. Have you ever seen this before? No? No worries. It happens when the trees are so old, so they release sap like this. The next question that I want to ask you is, to nap is to have a short sleep. Where is a good place to have a nap? Can you tell the name of any place where you can have a nap? Maybe in your living room? Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Next, I want to know that what is the child patting in the picture? In this picture, what is he patting? He is patting a dog. Can you show me how to pat? Yes, like this. The last question is coming to you. Have you ever spat watermelon seeds? Spat means to spit something like this. Look at this. He is spitting the watermelon seeds. Have you ever done this? If yes, so how far did they go? Well, this is not a nice thing to do, by the way, right? So that's the end of our today's story. I'll see you again with a new storybook with some new words. Do practice reading this book again and again until you get fluent. It's time to say goodbye, but don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.